and that changes. That is decided by your character. But you're still our man. Just one awful man. We have to make up our mind what we want. All these things that we do, like I'm looking at the things that I end up with in life and seeing how I contribute to it and be like, oh, fuck me. So I'm trying to be more responsible about how I express the feelings that I have. More responsible about trying to achieve a particular outcome, because outcome trumps intent. So if my intention was to get to Montego Bay, if I was standing in the middle of Ochi and I wanted to go to Moby, and I set off up the hill and gone past Fern Gully and gone past Walker's Wood and gone past Money, it really no matter that my intention was to reach Moby, because Moby is not at the end of that road. It's not. So in intention, I wanted Moby, but in action, I went to Kingston. Two different places, two completely different places. I spend a large part of my life worrying about the things that me feel like now go right, just now go right. Spend so much time dedicated to